Hi everyone, welcome to our AP Chem tutorial on using a BCA table to determine theoretical yield and percent yield. Our problem is if 2.50 metric tons of bornite is reacted with excess O2 and the process has an 86.3% yield of copper, what mass of copper is produced? Okay, first let's check if our equation is balanced. You have six coppers over here, 6 over here, 2 irons over here, and 2 over here, 6 sulfurs here, and then 6 sulfurs here, 12 plus 2, 14 oxygens over here, and 14 over here. Good, so our equation is balanced. Okay, but if we're going to use a BCA table, we have to convert our units to moles. So we have 2.50 metric tons. Don't have that much space, unfortunately. And this marker isn't very good. Okay. Okay, there's 1 times 10 to the 6th grams in a ton. And 1 mole of bornite is equivalent to 342.68 grams per mole. Alright, and what we get from that is 7,295.44 moles. We'll worry sig figs later. There's an E right there. Okay, so we can plug that in for bornite. And bornite is this big compound right here. So 7,295.44. Okay. And then since we assume that it goes to completion, or actually, since this is excess, we can just put the word excess here since we don't have to worry about that. So this is obviously the limiting reactant if this is excess. So we can subtract from that. Okay, and then we subtract that too, but we don't have to worry about that. Actually, we do have to worry about that. The number for here is 25,534.03. And then over here, we assume there's no products to begin with. And then we add, but we don't have to focus on these two since we're only trying to find the mass of copper in the end. So for copper, since there's a coefficient of 6, our amount of moles is 21,886.31. Alright, so this becomes 0, and this becomes, well, we don't know because it's excess, so it's still excess. And so we have a final amount of moles for copper as 21,886.31 moles copper. And so we want to convert that to grams, so we'll do stoichiometry real fast. 1 mole of copper is 58.93 grams. 58.93 grams. And that equals 1.289, 1.29, let's say, times 10 to the 3rd in kilograms. But we have to remember, since it says 86.3% yield, we have to multiply that by 86.3. Because this is the maximum amount we could have, but since they said this only comes out as 86.3% yield for copper, it won't be that maximum amount. So the answer we get is about 1.2 times 10 to the third kilograms, or 1.2 metric tons of copper.